It must be technology.
So ito nga yung computer laboratory namin. Laboratory namin is ganito siya ang naka-designs. Napakaganda dito sa gamitin kasi may keyboards.
That is
Ito.
why, ladies and gentlemen of the Junior Philippine Computer Society, your role as
So ito yung mga
members
out of service for repair. Ito yung mga ginagawang example para sa pag-repair sa mga bagong estudyante ng Cavite City Campus IT.
because you are the bridge
Yan,
builders.
tinawag niya out of service for repair.
Dapat walang flood control issue, ha? Dapat bridge builders kayo ang gagawa